Today our topic is Indian Scientists Part G. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. G. Madhavan Nair. G. Madhavan Nair, born in 31 August 1943, was the former chairman of Indian Space Research Organization and secretary to the Department of Space, Government of India. He has also been the chairman of the Space Commission and chairman of the governing body of the Antrix Corporation, Bangalore. He was chairman of Board of Governors of the Indian Institute of Technology, Patna, until he stepped down due to his involvement in a controversial deal relating to sale of radio spectrum bandwidth involving Antrix. He was subsequently barred from holding an government positions. Nair was awarded the Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian honor, on 26 January 2009. G.K. Ananta Suresh. Gandi Kondaya Ananta Suresh is an Indian mechanical engineer and professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, India. He is best known for his work in the areas of topology, optimization, compliant mechanism, and microelectromechanical system. He is also currently serving as the chairman of Mechanical Engineering Department at Indian Institute of Science. He was formerly the chairman of Center of Biosystem Sciences and Engineering at Indian Institute of Science. He is the recipient of prestigious Shant Swarup Bhatnagar Award in 2010 for Engineering Sciences. Giridhar Madras. Giridhar Madras is an Indian chemical engineering and professor at the Indian Institute of Science. He is a recipient of the Shant Swarup Bhatnagar Prize in 2009. He has published more than 550 journal articles fetching close to 20,000 citations. This makes him one of most cited scientists working in an engineering field in India. He has graduated over 100 students, including 50 PhD students. He also writes a blog about life at IISc. G.N. Ramachandran. Gopala Samudram Narayan Ramachandran, or G.N. Ramachandran, born in 8 October 1922, died in 7 April 2001, was an Indian physicist who was known for his work that led to his creation of the Ramachandran plot for understanding peptide structure. He was the first to propose a triple helical model for the structure of collagen. He subsequently went on to make other major contributions in biology and physics. G.R. Desiraju. Gautam Radhakrishna Desiraju is an Indian chemist and educationist who has contributed subsequently to the themes of crystal engineering and weak hydrogen bonding. He has authored books on these subjects. He has co-authored a textbook in crystal engineering. He is one of the most highly cited Indian scientists and has been recognized by awards such as Alexander von Humboldt. He served as president of the International Union of Crystallography for the Triennium 2011-2014. Gaide Hasan. Gaide Hasan is an Indian scientist who researches in the fields of molecular biology, genetics, neurosciences, and cell signaling. Hasan is a fellow of the Indian National Science Academy, the apex body of Indian scientists and technologists. 2013 onwards, she has been serving as a senior professor at the National Centre for Biological Sciences, Bangalore. G.P.S. Raghava. Gajendra Pal Singh Raghava, born 25 May 1963, is an Indian bioinformatician and head of the computational biology at the Indraprasthana Institute of Information Technology. He got awards: Shant Swarup Bhatnagar Prize 2008, National Bioscience Award for Career Development 2006, Scientific Career Fields Bioinformatics Institutions, Indraprasana Institute Information Technology. Ganapati Tanikai Mani. Ganapati Tanikai Mani, born in 1st January 1938, died in 5th September 1986, often referred to as Tanikai Mani, was an Indian palynologist. Gandikota V. Rao. Gandikota V. Rao, born in 15 July 1934 in Vijayanagaram, India, died in 13 July 2004 in Mexico, was an Indian-American atmospheric scientist who chaired the Department of Earth and Atmospheric Sciences at St. Louis University. He was a well-renowned expert on tropical meteorology, monsoon, tropical cyclones, and tropical cyclone tornadoes. He was also known for the work on air pollution, atmospheric convection, atmospheric boundary layers, and numerical weather prediction. R.V. Gomatam. Ravi Veera Raghavan Gomatam, born 1950 in Chennai, India, is the director of Bhaktivedanta Institution and the newly formed Institution of Semantic Information Science and Technology. He teaches graduate level courses at these institutions. He was an adjunct professor at Birla Institution of Technology and Science, BITS Pilani, Rajasthan, India. G. Padmanabhan. Govindarajan Padmanabhan, born 38, is an Indian biochemist and biotechnologist. He was the former director of the Indian Institute of Science and presently serves as honorary professor in the Department of Biochemistry at IISc. G.B. Talwar. Gurucharan Pran Talwar is a medical researcher working in the area of vaccines and immunocontraception. In a 1994 paper, his group demonstrated that women could be vaccinated to prevent pregnancy. He joined as Associate Professor of Biochemistry in the newly created All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, and also worked there as a professor and head till 1983. He was head ICMR WHO Research Training Center in Immunology for India and Southeast Asia. Ganeshan Venkatraman. Ganeshan Venkatraman, born 6 October 1932, is an Indian condensed matter physicist, writer and a former Vice Chancellor of Sri Satya Sai University, an elected fellow of the Indian National Science Academy and the Indian Academy of Sciences. Venkatraman is the recipient of Jawaharlal Nehru Fellowship, Sir C.V. Raman Prize of the University Grants Commission, Indira Gandhi Prize for Popularization of Science of the Indian National Science Academy. The Government of India awarded him the 4th highest civilian award of Padma Shri in 1991. Ganapati Naresh Patwari. Ganapati Naresh Patwari, born 30 December 1972, is an Indian chemist and a professor at the Department of Chemistry of the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, known for his studies on vibrational spectroscopy. His work is reported to have widened the understanding of the fundamental concepts in hydrogen bonding. Ghanshyam Swarup. Ghanshyam Swarup, born 1953, is an Indian molecular biologist, a J.C. Bose National Fellow and the head of the Ghanshyam Swarup Research Group of the Center of Cellular and Molecular Biology. He is known for his studies on glaucoma and the discovery of protein tyrosine phosphatase, a new protein influencing the regulation of cell proliferation. He is an elected fellow of the Indian Academy of Sciences, the Indian National Sciences Academy and the National Academy of Sciences India, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, the apex agency of the Government of India for Scientific Research, awarded him the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology, one of the highest Indian science awards, in 1996 for his contribution to biological sciences. Govind Swarup. Govind Swarup, born 23rd March 1929, is a radio astronomer and one of the pioneers of the radio astronomy. He is known not only for his many important research contributions in several areas of astronomy and astrophysics, but also for his outstanding achievements in building ingenious, innovative, and powerful observational facilities for frontline research in radio astronomy. He has been the key scientist behind concept design and installation of the UT radio telescope, Metrovave radio telescope near Pune. Under his leadership, a strong group in radio astrophysics has been built at Tata Institute of Fundamental Research that is comparable to the best in the world. Gopinath Karta. Gopinath Karta, born 26 January 1927, died in 18 June 1984, was a prominent crystallographer of Indian origin in 1967. He determined the molecular structure of the enzyme ribonuclease. This was the first protein structure educated and published in the United States. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.